Welcome to the Explainer. So today we're breaking down the exact blueprint for building your ultimate digital sidekick completely for free in 2026. I am absolutely pumped about this one because AI agents, they aren't just some distant concept for the future anymore. They are very real and you can literally construct one from your own desk right now.
Just picture this for a second. Imagine a morning where your own personal assistant has already handled all your tedious, repetitive tasks before you even open your eyes. You wake up, grab your coffee, and bam, the latest tech news is perfectly summarized for you. Your emails, already drafted or neatly sorted into folders. You even have fresh content ideas completely mapped out and just waiting for your review.
Now, I know exactly what you're thinking. You're probably saying, well, that kind of bespoke, highly customized automation must cost an absolute fortune, right? Or maybe you think it requires some massive enterprise budget. But the reality is, in 2026, you can build this exact system yourself right now for absolutely $0. Seriously, zero. You don't need a huge tech budget, you just need the right roadmap. Okay, let's dive into this blueprint. Today's agenda is pretty straightforward. 1. What is an agent? 2. Picking your free platform. 3. Giving your agent brains. 4. A step-by-step assembly guide. And finally, 5. Pro tips and traps to keep you on the right track.
All right, let's kick things off with Section 1. What is an agent? Let's quickly demystify this whole digital assistant thing.
Look, people love to overcomplicate AI, but honestly, an agent is really just 3 distinct components working together in harmony. First up, you have the brain. This is your AI model, the part that actually thinks and processes information. Second, you have the tools. These are what allow the agent to actually act out in the world, like searching the web or firing off an email. And third, you have the orchestrator, which is basically the underlying system controlling what happens next. Think of it exactly like a human assistant. The brain thinks, the tools act, and the orchestrator decides the next move. Once you grasp the simple 3-part anatomy, you've honestly done 50% of the work.
Moving right along to Section 2, pick your free platform and find the right toolkit.
You basically have 2 completely free paths to get started here, and it depends entirely on your comfort level with coding. First, there's the no-code approach. If you're a beginner, or if you just want something highly visual and incredibly fast, you're going to want to look at platforms like NAN, Flowise, or Dify. These tools feel exactly like building with Lego blocks. You're just dragging and dropping logic nodes to create your workflows. NAN is super powerful for logic, Flowise is amazing for fast AI workflows, and Dify has this beautiful, clean UI for data-based agents. But alternatively, there's the code-first approach. If you want to dive deeper and have full granular control using Python, you'll want tools like CrewAI, AutoGen, or LangGraph. CrewAI lets you build entire teams of agents, AutoGen lets those agents talk to each other, and LangGraph gives you absolute control over logic and memory. This path is where you truly start thinking like a seasoned AI engineer.
All right, let's move to Section 3, giving your agent brains by choosing the engine.
So you've got your platform, but right now your agent is basically an empty shell. It needs a brain. And we have 2 phenomenal, free ways to inject intelligence into your system. On one hand, you have local execution. By using a tool like Ollama, you can actually run powerful models like Llama 3 or Mistral directly on your own hardware. Why is this so amazing? Well, it requires 0 internet connection, it costs literally nothing per query, and it offers 100% data privacy. But hey, if your PC isn't quite beefy enough to run these models smoothly, no worries. You can seamlessly pivot to the second option, free cloud APIs. Platforms like Google AI Studio or Groq offer incredibly fast, powerful processing that is completely free within some very generous beginner limits. So you get the intelligence of top-tier models without needing a supercomputer sitting under your desk.
Which brings us to Section 4, step-by-step assembly. Time to bring this thing to life.
Execution is everything, right? So how do we actually snap these Lego pieces together? Let's walk through how fast you can assemble this using a visual tool like NN. It's literally just 4 straightforward steps. Step 1. Install the platform locally. Usually you'll do this via Docker, which just keeps everything super clean and contained on your machine. Step 2. Create your AI agent node. This is where you hand your assistant its job description. You write a clear prompt defining exactly what it does and how it behaves, something like summarize daily AI news in simple language. Step 3. Add tools. This is where the magic happens. You connect actionable tools to your agent, like web search, Google Sheets, or your messaging apps. Suddenly, your agent isn't just a chatbot anymore, it's actively reaching out into the internet and doing stuff. And finally, step 4, add memory. By integrating databases like ChromaDB or Flowise, your agent gains the ability to remember past conversations in context. When your agent actually remembers what you asked it yesterday, man, that's when this technology stops feeling like a script and starts feeling real.
And finally, Section 5, Pro Tips and Traps. Let's talk about building smart.
Okay, before you rush off and start wiring nodes together and writing prompts, we need to cover some essential wisdom. The biggest secret in this space, and a philosophy that most people completely ignore to their own detriment, is this: do not try to build a super AI on day one. Seriously, it's so tempting to try and make an agent that manages your entire life right out of the gate. Don't do it. Start by mastering just one single, highly specific task. Have it successfully summarize the news every morning. Once that works flawlessly, then have it draft email replies. Improve it step by step. That methodical, layered approach, that is exactly how real, robust, enterprise-grade AI systems are built.
And as you're building, you absolutely must be careful to avoid a few classic beginner traps. First up, infinite loops. This happens when your agent gets confused and just keeps repeating actions, which will burn through your free API limits in minutes. Second, running without guardrails. If your agent is managing emails, you definitely don't want it firing off messages without double-checking. It could do something pretty risky. And third, bad instructions, which inevitably lead to absolute garbage output. But the good news is, you can easily prevent all of these. Fix infinite loops by setting strict iteration limits in your orchestrator. Fix the guardrail issue by simply adding a human approval step before the agent is ever allowed to execute sensitive actions, like actually hitting send on an email. And fix garbage output by just taking the time to write crystal clear, unambiguous prompts.
AI agents aren't just some distant, expensive sci-fi concept anymore. They are a reality you can build for absolutely zero money right now, directly from your laptop. You don't need venture capital funding. You just need the right tools, a little bit of patience, and a clear plan. We've shown you the platforms, the brains, and the exact step-by-step assembly. The tools are completely free, and the blueprint is now yours. So the only question left for you is, what are you going to build today?